Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel for more videos. So today we are going to see how you can create multiple accounts on Instagram. So you might be there when you want to create many accounts on Instagram, like to advertise your businesses for fun and everything you want to do with your account. So how can you create those multiple accounts on Instagram? So let's go. So make sure that you have downloaded your Instagram app from the Google Play Store. Then after you have downloaded it, you come on your Instagram app. When you tap on it, open. Let me say mine is here. You just come and tap on it, open. Then when the Instagram app opens, you just come on, like when Instagram app opens, you just come down here in your right hand down corner there on your profile. You come and tap on your profile in the right down corner. Then when you tap on it, when you tap on your light on that profile, like when you tap on that profile, you'll be displayed like here. Your account will be displayed like this. So you just come up there in the right hand, the up corner there, and you tap on the three lines. These three lines here going down. Those three lines, you just come on tap on them. When you tap on them, you come down here and you look for settings and you tap on it. You just come on tap on settings here. When you tap on settings down there, you just scroll down here. Just scroll down up to down here, and you look for like add or switch accounts. So first, let me show you how I created my account. Let me show you my accounts. I created my multiple accounts. So when you tap here, for me, you will see that I created many accounts. Like I have this one, I have this one, I have this one. All of those are my accounts and I created them. So even you can. So here you just come on add or switch accounts down here. You just come on add or switch account. It is here. It is here. So you just come on add or switch accounts and you tap on it. So when you tap on that thing, you'll see that down here they'll show you to add account. You come and tap on add account. Add account. So add or log into existing account or create a new account. But for us, remember, we want to create a new account. We don't want to log into an existing account. We just want to create multiple accounts. So you just come and create a new account here and tap on create new account. Then when you tap and create new accounts, you'll see or tell you to choose the username you want to put there, the username you want to use. So you just come in, put the username you want to use. So maybe let me say Jimmy. This is my name. My name is Jimmy. I want to use Jimmy, but it say James is not available. So let me say Jimmy 99. Yes. 9. Yes. They are showing me some usernames here down. So you can come and choose from these names, from these usernames. Funny, but so you come and choose maybe that's one, and you tap next. After choosing, you just come in, tap on next. That next, okay? It is there. So you just come. So they tell you to create a password. Like for security, your password must be 6 characters or more. It must be 6 characters or more. So you just come in, choose your password from here. So they are telling you from there, like, to create a password, anything you want to create. Then after you tap on next, so here you will be shown that welcome to Instagram Jimmy 99942. So we will add an email and phone number from the other account. Remember, we've created multiple from the other account to this, so you can upload this information anytime in settings. So here just tap complete sign up or add a new number. So complete sign up. Complete sign up. It is registering, okay? So find Facebook friends for like you can connect your Instagram account to Facebook. You just skip. You just tap on skip here because you don't need it. So Instagram is more fun when you follow your friends and see their posts. Are you sure you want to skip this step? Yes, of course. Let me first skip. Then you can add your photo. You can add anything you want. So you also skip, like you skip. So finally our Instagram account has been created. So here they are showing me my account, how it looks. You can follow people here and they can show you everything like you need to know. So here when I open, you'll be seeing that here I'll be able to see like my username is there. You can edit your account, anything you want to do with your accounts. So let's see whether it is there in my multiple accounts, whether our thing is really successful. So let me see. Let me come here and see whether my account is there in multiple accounts. So just come here. So finally my account is there in multiple accounts. So you can see it. It is here. It is here. It is here. So it is then created. You can always switch to it. Like you can always change and you go to your account. So thank you for watching. Let me hope this video is helped, and let me hope people are going to enjoy creating multiple accounts on Instagram. So thank you for watching. This is Jimmy from MJ Tech ISO. Please, if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel, like my videos, and like share them for people to benefit from them. And please let me see and let me know what you need to know about Instagram from the comment section below. So please comment like your question about Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and WhatsApp, anything concerning Android. I'll be able to help what I know. Please, thank you for watching, and please keep updated with me with all the videos concerning Android. Thank you.